Good afternoon po. Ano pong panawagan natin dito po sa harap ng Senado?
Well, first of all, dapat ituloy yung trial, no? Hindi pwede hintuin yun dahil sa ligang batas, mandatory yung trial. After the trial, pwede na sila magbotohan, pero dapat may trial. Second, hindi naman pwede ang Senado maging asylum ng isang fugitive, no? Wala namang protected custody sa batas. Ang nakalagay lang, hindi pwede arestuhin pag nasa session ng Congress at ang offense punishable by less than 6 years. Yung crime against humanity, 12 years yun 12 years or more. So, kahit na nasa session, pwede siya arestuhin. Yun ang panawagan namin na sundin yung batas, sundin yung Constitution.
So kung a-arrestuin siya po, wala pong magagawa sino man?
Walang magagawa dahil yung immunity is only for offenses punishable by imprisonment of less than 6 years. So, klarong-klaro yon.
So ano po nangyari dito? It's a matter of courtesy?
Well, ayaw lang ng Senado is surrender siya, no? Pinigilan nila. So, that is actually obstruction of justice. Under the law, if you prevent the law enforcer from serving a warrant of arrest or summons, that is obstruction of justice.
So kaya po nandito kayo ngayon, Justice, para ipahayag yung inyong salubin isa itong grupo to.
Yeah, kasama kami dito sa grupo na ito.
Justice, yung case ng leadership ng Senado, wala pa kayo na uusap itong impeachment panel?
Well, alam mo, pag may majority ka, ikaw ang iboboto, no? Ikaw ang maging presidente, may majority. So that is an internal matter. So kahit na si Cayetano na, hindi naman nagbago yung saligang batas na dapat tuloy yung trial.
Then how can we compel the Senate to enforce the ICC warrant? Because as far as the IHL is concerned, the ICC warrant is enforceable locally by itself. So ano kung still remedy from a part of the families, let's say, to compel the Senate act on your warrant?
Well, I think they are talking now, no? Yung NBI at saka yung Senate. Ang kailangan dyan, pag ayaw ibigay, filean nila ng obstruction of justice yung mga senators. Filean ng criminal cases.
Since it's local and ICC, kasi may obstruction of justice into ICC.
Yeah, dahil under Republic Act 58, yung Philippine humanitarian law, may option yung gobyerno either to surrender or to prosecute. Ang option ng gagawin ng gobyerno ngayon is to surrender the bato, no? Nasa gobyerno, katulad kay Duterte, sinurrender.
That is under Section 17.
17 of, yeah.
How about the Article 59 of the Rome Statute? Kasi in-invoke na ngayon. Parang tatatao, merong citizen work.
Yeah, pero wala na yung Rome Statute dahil tinerminate na nga eh. Winidraw na nga ni Duterte. Kasalanan niya. Winidraw niya eh. Tinerminate niya. So, ang batas ngayon, yung na lang, yung Philippine International Humanitarian Law, I think that's 5891 or forgot the number.
Specifically, kung sino ang pwedeng kasuhan ng obstruction of justice.
Kung sino man ang nag-prevent.
Kasi siya ang sinasabi ho nitong mga nangyayari ngayon. Kasi sa nakakatakot ho bang president dito? Kung sino ho yung
Well, yes, I think this is a new precedent na the Senate will become asylum for fugitives from justice. No? Hindi naman kasama yan sa saligang batas. Ang nakalagay lang doon, hindi pwede arestuhin while in session at yung charge is penalized for less than 6 years imprisonment. Eh hindi naman, this is a different situation. Penalty is 12 years at least eh. So pwede siya ma-aresto kahit na may session. Ngayon, pag there is no such thing as protective custody. Kasi the Senate should obey the law, should obey the Constitution.
What does it tell us sa mga sitting senators natin, Justice?
Ah,
What does it tell us, yung mga na sitting senator?
well, they're not following the law. That's why the remedy is to file obstruction of justice.
Who's gonna file, sir?
Yeah, NBI should file obstruction of justice.
Justice, yung argument kasi ng Senate, i-acknowledge lang daw nila Philippine local court. That's possible kasi hindi naman required ng local
Yeah, well,
local court.
nakalagay naman, wala naman yan sa batas eh. Ang nakalagay din, surrender or prosecute here.
So what does it say? Pinipilit ng Senate na dapat may local court. Hindi naman required.
Well, mali sila. They cannot decide that on their own. Dapat pumunta sila sa Supreme Court, questionin nila.
So mali yun, kung ni-require nila yung local court na mag-issue ng warrant.
Yeah, the Supreme Court will have to decide whether under that international humanitarian law natin, kahit na may warrant of arrest from ICC, kailangan pa rin ng local warrant of arrest. Right now, the law does not require it. No?
Thank you, Justice.